this curve for the back cut. It's just starting to open up, but just a hair. That tells us we have what we need with the pull lines. So, and let's take a look at how fat the hinge is on this side. Not very fat. That's what, 2-3 inches max. And then let's look on the other side too. About the same there, 2 or 3 inches.
Scare me.
And we're going to see when we get done. You'll see just a post on each side. That's enough to get this tree to the leg. We got the pull lines in there. I'm going to go jump in there and pull. Get on there. When you're ready, I'm ready. When I move, you move. When I move, you move.